Think red light therapy is just a wellness trend? The results at home might be stronger than you think. Most people assume you need expensive spa devices to see results. But what no one tells you. Clinical studies show red light wavelengths between 630 to 850 nanometers can reduce wrinkles, boost collagen, and speed up muscle recovery, even with affordable at-home panels. Red and near-infrared light stimulate mitochondria to produce more ATP, your body's energy currency. This leads to better skin regeneration, reduced inflammation, and faster muscle healing. FDA-cleared panels used just 10 minutes a day can mimic professional results over time. Use a panel with dual wavelengths, red, 660 nanometers plus NIR, 850 nanometers. For skin, 6 to 12 inches away for 10 to 15 minutes, 3 to 5 times by week. For muscle, target sore areas post-workout, same settings. Avoid eye exposure, wear goggles or keep eyes closed. Here's the kicker. Consistent red light can reduce fine lines by 35% in 8 weeks, from your own bedroom. Save this video and tag someone still spending $$ at the spa. Full device guide is in the description.